If you're struggling with the error the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely, here's a quick fix that works for many. This error usually happens because of leftover or corrupted files from a previous installation, insufficient permissions, or conflicts with other software. Let's fix it step by step. Start by deleting leftover files from previous installations. Open File Explorer, go to this PC, and then the C drive. Navigate to two of the program file folders. We want to repeat the same process for these two. Look for the folder named Epic Games and delete them completely. Just right-click the folder and click Delete. After you've deleted this folder, we'll repeat the same process to the other program files folder. Look for the Epic Games folder, right-click and delete. These leftover files can block the new installer from working properly. If you're unsure about deleting the files, back them up to another location just in case. After clearing out those folders, restart your computer to refresh everything and avoid any lingering file locks. Now try running the Epic Games Launcher installer again. And that's it. This simple fix often solves the problem. If this helped, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more quick fixes. Happy gaming!